Hey there! Are you ready to reinvent your life? Good, because today I have a power tip to transform your life's trajectory. Let's talk about intention setting. It is not just about wishing for change, but creating a blueprint for achieving it. Here is a mini crash course on setting effective intentions in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Identify what you want. Think about one area of your life you want to level up. It could be career, relationships, health, anything. Get specific. Step 2. Visualize it. Picture yourself living that change. How does it feel? What is different? Step 3. Write it down. Not just in your phone notes, grab a pen and paper. Trust me, it makes it more real. And the final step, believe in it. Believe in the power of your intention. Believe in you. Remember, clarity is power, and our online workshops are always there for further guidance and support. So, start today. Set an intention and watch your life transform. Stay ambitious, stay intentional. Catch you next time.